This video is powered by Softzenith, experts in building websites, mobile apps, and desktop applications for businesses and startups. Get free software engineering training right here on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and invite your friends to learn with us. For dedicated one-on-one or premium courses, visit www.softzenith.com/courses to get started.
Tech Career Pathways Overview. Roles, skills, and salary insights. What you'll learn in today's lesson. Welcome to today's class. If you're curious about tech, but not sure where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we're giving you a clear and simple overview of the main career paths in tech. By the end of this video, you'll know the most in-demand tech roles, what each role actually does, skills you need to get started, real-life examples from each career, average salary expectations, and most importantly, how to pick the right path for you. Software developer, the builders of the digital world. First up, software developers. These are the folks who write code to build everything from websites to mobile apps to smart home devices. Job description. They translate ideas into working software. In a team, they build features, fix bugs, and make sure everything runs smoothly. Real-life example. Imagine someone wants to create a food delivery app. The software dev writes the code for the menu, payment, and tracking systems. Skills needed: Python, JavaScript, Git, teamwork. Salary range: $70,000 to $120,000 plus. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss an update. UI/UX designer, the user experience artists. Next, meet the UI/UX designers. They design how an app or website looks and feels, making it attractive and easy to use. Job description: UI, user interface, focuses on visuals, buttons, fonts, layouts. UX, user experience, makes sure it's smooth and enjoyable to use. Team role: they work with developers and product managers to bring ideas to life based on user feedback. Real life example: ever use a simple, beautiful food ordering app that just makes sense? That's good UI/UX design. Skills needed: Figma, wireframing, user research. Salary range: $60,000 to $100,000. Data analyst, the decision maker's secret weapon. Then there's the data analyst, the person who turns numbers into decisions. Job description: they collect and interpret data to help companies make better choices. Team role: they work with marketing, business, and product teams to identify trends, create dashboards, and generate reports. Real-life example: think Netflix. Data analysts study what you watch so Netflix can recommend your next favorite show. Skills needed: Excel, SQL, Python, critical thinking. Salary range: $65,000 to $110,000. Cybersecurity specialist, the digital defenders. Next up, cybersecurity specialists, the protectors of digital spaces. Job description: they safeguard computers, networks, and data from hackers and security threats. Team role: they work with IT teams to run audits, install firewalls, and monitor for suspicious activity. Real-life example: ever gotten a fraud alert from your bank? That's cybersecurity at work. Skills needed: network security, ethical hacking, scripting. Salary range: $75,000 to $130,000. Cloud engineer, the architects of the internet storage. Cloud engineers keep the internet running by managing the servers and systems that store apps and data online. Job description: they build and manage cloud systems that run apps like Zoom, Google Docs, or Dropbox. Team role: they work with developers and operations teams to make sure everything is fast, scalable, and secure. Real-life example: every time you upload a photo to Google Drive, that's powered by cloud infrastructure. Skills needed: AWS, Linux, Docker, system design. Salary range: $90,000 to $140,000. It's support, the problem solvers. Not every tech job requires deep coding. IT support specialists help people solve technical problems at work or home. Job description. They fix hardware, reset passwords, set up devices, and guide users through tech issues. Team role. They're the first line of support for companies, schools, and organizations. Real-life example. When your Zoom camera won't turn on before a meeting, that's when you call tech support. Skills needed: communication, troubleshooting, basic networking. Salary range: $45,000 to $75,000. Real-life story. Sarah's career switch. Let's meet Sarah. She worked in retail, loved design, and decided to explore UI/UX. She took an online course, built a small portfolio, and now works at a startup creating mobile app designs. The lesson? You don't need to be a genius or have a computer science degree. Just curiosity, consistency, and a bit of practice. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Finding your path, what's right for you. So, how do you choose the right tech path? Ask yourself, do I like solving puzzles? Try coding. Love visuals and creativity? Try design. Good with numbers? Go into data. Enjoy helping people? Try IT support. Try beginner tutorials. Build small projects and start your tech journey today. Tech isn't just for techies. It's for anyone who's curious and willing to learn. So pick a path, start learning, and take your first step today. Your dream tech career is waiting. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to build powerful apps, websites, or tech solutions at scale, or you want to level up your IT skills, reach out to Softzenith. Visit Softzenith.com or message them on WhatsApp at +23 4702 511 5425. Empower your business. Build with Softzenith. Rock it. Have a question or thought? Drop them in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you.